Yeah, I am Dr. Manjeet Sinha. I work as a President for Institutional Business mainly for Multani Pharmaceuticals Ltd. Multani Pharmaceuticals Ltd was established way back in 1937 in undivided India at Lahore, and after independence we came down, the group has came down to India, and here we have operating our corporate office is at New Delhi, and our plant is at New Delhi, as well as we have a WHO GMP manufacturing facility for pharma, that means Ayurveda, nutraceuticals, cosmetics, herbals, and other forms at Roorkee, Haridwar district. We are a WHO GMP facility. We are having our own branding, our own brand in Ayurveda, as well as we are into third party manufacturing also. Yeah, basically we have our own market, which is close to 250 300 crores worth of business right now. uh, as you will agree that every company, if go by own pace, they have some limitation in the growth. But if we expand our services in the form of third party manufacturing, in form of loan license or contract manufacturing, then definitely there is sky is the limit. So basically we are looking forward for some in the near future, some 3 or 4 coming year. Right now close to 300 crore to 1000 crores company, that this is our aim. Yeah, this is my second year at CMPL at Mumbai, especially this place. So it's a wonderful experience, and we meet some prospective clients over here, and it's a very wonderful platform where prospective clients are coming with their requirements. Of course, out of a rush, we have to select very carefully those the valuable client. Means out of 100, maybe 4 5, but those 4 5 clients are so important and precious for us. Like last year also we have got few clients, I won't like to take the name, who have given a sizable business, and these people help us to increase our sales and revenue. Yeah, first of all, their requirements, whether we are able to fulfilling those requirement or not. With we got this time many client through CMPL, but their requirement was not fulfilled by us. So we are focusing on the particular those people who are who require nutraceuticals services in nutraceutical industry, services in cosmetics, services in Ayurveda. So these kind of people, if they came to in our firm, and those who are interested for quality manufacturing from a WHO GMP compliant industry, for those people our company can serve them in a wonderful way.